Imagine a truck that doesn't just work hard, but thinks smart, drives smooth like an SUV, and still hauls like a beast. The 2026 Ford F-150 isn't just America's best-selling truck anymore. It's a rolling statement of power, its technology, and everyday practicality. And today, we're breaking down why this truck still dominates the pickup world at first glance. The 2026 Ford F-150 looks bold, confident, and more refined than ever. Ford has sharpened the front grille with a wider stance, redesigned LED headlights with a cleaner light signature, added subtle aerodynamic tweaks that actually improve fuel efficiency. The body still uses Ford's high-strength military-grade aluminum alloy, which keeps the truck lighter without sacrificing durability. From the sculpted hood to the strong shoulder lines and redesigned tailgate, everything feels purposeful and tough, yet modern. Step inside. And this is where the F-150 really surprises people. The cabin feels more like a premium SUV than a traditional work truck. Soft touch materials, improved seat cushioning, and better sound insulation make long drives comfortable and quiet. The massive digital display dominates the dashboard. With a fully digital gauge cluster and a large central touchscreen that runs Ford's latest SYNC system, it's fast, responsive, and easy to use, even for first-time drivers. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charging, and multiple USB-C ports are standard on most trims, making this truck perfectly suited for both workdays and road trips. One of the most unique features is Ford's fold-flat work surface. The center console opens up into a desk, allowing you to place a laptop, paperwork, or even a lunch tray. For contractors, remote workers, or creators on the move, this feature alone can be a game changer. The rear seats offer generous legroom, and the flat floor makes it comfortable for adults, not just kids. Under the hood, the 2026 Ford F-150 offers a wide range of engines designed for different needs. There's a powerful turbocharged V6 for daily driving, a naturally aspirated V8 for those who love classic truck performance, and Ford's advanced power boost hybrid system that blends strong acceleration with impressive fuel efficiency. The hybrid version also allows the truck to act as a mobile power generator, capable of running tools, appliances, or even powering a home during outages. This is not just a gimmick, it's real-world utility when it comes to performance. The F-150 feels strong, stable, and confident on the road. Acceleration is smooth and surprisingly quick for a full-size truck. The 10-speed automatic transmission shifts intelligently, keeping the engine in the sweet spot, whether you're towing, climbing hills, or cruising on the highway. Steering feels lighter than expected, making city driving easier, while the suspension absorbs bumps without feeling floaty. Towing and payload remain a major strength. The 2026 F-150 can tow heavy trailers with ease, thanks to advanced trailer assist systems, multiple camera angles, and smart hitch guidance. Even if you're not an experienced truck driver, the technology makes towing far less stressful. The truck bed itself is incredibly versatile, with built-in lighting, power outlets, tie-downs, and a multifunction tailgate that doubles as a step or work platform. Safety is another area where Ford has raised the bar. The 2026 model comes packed with driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring with trailer coverage, automatic emergency braking, and 360-degree camera views. These features work quietly in the background, adding confidence without taking control away from the driver. What truly makes this Ford F-150 special is its balance. It's a truck that can handle rough job sites during the week, carry the family comfortably on weekends, and still feel modern, tech-focused, and efficient. Whether you're a contractor, an outdoor enthusiast, or someone who simply loves driving a powerful vehicle, the 2026 F-150 adapts to your lifestyle. In the end, the 2026 Ford F-150 isn't just about strength or size, it's about intelligence, flexibility, and reliability. It's built to work hard, drive smart, and last long. And that's exactly why, year after year, the F-150 continues to lead the pickup truck world.